The reason you are receiving uncertified response from AI is because you are giving uncertified prompt. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the right and the best way to prompt AI in order to get the best result for your project, for your book, or for whatever you want to use it for. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. But without wasting our time, let's dive right into the video. So welcome guys. In order to get the best results from any AI at all, whether Gemini, Perplexity, whether ChatGPT, whether Claude, anyone at all, there are 7 layers of prompt framework that we have to go through. So I'm going to walk you through everything. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and subscribe. So let's go to the first one. So the first one is you give AI a role. Before you do anything, just make sure that you give AI a role. So I want you to be looking on my screen right now. You say this is bad. You write that, write me a YouTube title. So you can see that this is actually bad based on what I put here. So, and they said the better one is you are a world-class YouTube CEO strategy that specializes in high CTR finance. This is actually my own contest. This is actually my own contest. So what this basically means that I have given the AI a particular role that the AI is going to play, and this means that it's going to work as a YouTube CEO strategist. All right, so this is how to give a role. So the first framework of getting best results from AI is to make sure that you give the AI a particular role to operate. So number 2, you have to define the goal clearly. So you tell AI what is going to do for you. So most people ask for action, not outcome. So this is bad if you say you are a YouTube SEO strategist and the next context is right capture. So it's going to give you rubbish. But if you say something that you are a so things and your next action is to create Facebook caption designed to maximize comments, shares, and watch hours, you can see that this content now is going to give you something different from the one that it is up here. So let's go to the next one. So the next one is you add the contest. All right, the contest means who are you targeting? The people that you want to be watching that video. Who exactly are your ideal audience? So for example, you can say, okay, my audience is a beginner creator age to 18 to 35 years from United States of America, UK, and Canada. Interest in money, discipline, and digital products. So this one is actually my own. This one is my own. This is the prompt that I am actually using. Number 4 framework on our list is constraint. So you add constraint. The constraint means you give it a length. All right. So you can say, okay, write me a 60-second YouTube short script. So you can just use whatever you want to use. Okay. So you can just use anything that is that is relatable to that thing, instead of just write a script. So you give it a direction of what that thing should actually do for you. So number 5 on our list is a specific outcome format. So you don't say give me idea. So if I actually use this actually, but I know that this is bad. I've changed it for a while now since I discovered it is very bad to say give me a idea. But when you say return with idea, is actually makes sense than give me idea. So the AI is going to look for something for you, and on the return is going to generate that thing for you. So this is premium idea on how to get the best result. So let's go to the next one. So while you are writing your prompt, you tell AI what AI should actually avoid. All right, so example, you can say avoid the generic advice, cliches, motivational flums, and the beginner level idea. All right, or you can say do not overuse YouTube title pattern, remove the strong. So you tell AI to actually avoid specific things that you don't want to add in that prompt, because what is in your prompt will determine what you are going to do, what you are going to get. Okay, so the final one on our list is force iteration. So this output is really the best output. So you can use generate 10 version. Out of that 10 version, rank top 3. So improve the best one for higher CTR. So make it more emotional trigger. Now simplify it. AI becomes terrifying powerful when used iteratively. So this is basically what you are going to do. Now, in a combination of this or the whole framework, in order to get the best result, let's look for what AI actually give us when we use this kind of result. And I'm going to give you something that you really need to here. The best way to use AI right now to get the best results from AI is to use AI against AI. So you want to use Claude to generate something, you get the prompt from ChatGPT, so you can instruct that ChatGPT to help you generate prompts for Claude on so thing, and the one that ChatGPT is going to generate, it will times 10 better than the one that you are going to type. So I'm giving you this code now so you will understand what I actually mean. So now that I've given you this code, let us see what ChatGPT actually generated for us in the prompt using this 7 framework. Okay, breakdowns of the prompt that I want to show you. You can see the number one here is row, and the row that ChatGPT gave here is you are a world-class YouTube growth strategist specialized in finance and self-mastery. So ChatGPT is using the memory of our chat to reply me. So just forget about that one. Okay, he said your goal is to create high CTR YouTube title for a video about why most people fail making money online, and the contest. So he asked the contest is a audience men aged 18 to 35 in US, UK, Canada. Is similar to Alex Hormoz and Imams Gazin. So you can see the style actually. The constraint, you can see under 60 character, no clean line, no generic face, must create urgency. So the output is said rank top 5 by viral potential, explain why each work, and the explosion what to avoid, no clickbait, no generic face. All right, and the last one, which is the iteration, is a rank top 5 by viral potential and explain why it works. So this is the prompt. You can see this is the prompt. So if I copy this now and I paste it to anything that I want to paste it to, the reply will differ from the one that I type by myself, because this actually give a lot and a better instruction than the one that I can ever imagine. So that is what I'm telling you, that use AI against AI in order to get the best results. Now, before you go, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, my name is Mike, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.